To all the respected parents who gathered here, thank you very much for your presence celebrating graduation day. We all know that UKG children successfully completed their preschool, and we all know this is the most innocent phase of the life. The LKG, UKG 3 years journey with 80% of parent support. Only 20% school role, but 80% because of parents only everything is going to be happen in the preschooling. First of all, I am very thankful to all the parents. You have a trust on us. We tried our best. So today you are going to witness what they learned, and they will try to execute a few programs here. I request all the parents kindly encourage all the students and advise to all the parents, please don't compare your child with any other student. We know that in our experience, rose is a rose, and rose have its own fragrance, and even the hibiscus also have its own features. So rose never become a hibiscus, hibiscus never become a rose. So if you compare the child like that, some children like a rose, some children like maybe hibiscus, or some maybe like a jasmine. So everybody have their own skills. So our duty just to identify, and you please encourage them in their own way. And every student requires some time to grow. Suppose when we sow a seed, some grow within 1 day into a seedling, some takes 4-5 days, some take even months of the time. If you take a coconut, minimum it takes 6 months time to grow into a seedling. So every child is like that only. They have their own time to grow, they have their own time to cherish, flourish, etc. So generally when we see by other students, we may think that why my child is not like this. It depends on, first thing, parents are responsible for that, because genetics. 50% our behavior, 50% of our attitude, everything we got from our parents only. There is no alternative to that. We need to accept it. 50% through our genes only they got those characteristics. We can't change it. But 50% they learn from the environment and their surroundings, from the school, etc., etc. That 50% we can do. We can modify and we can do some extent. But through genetics, whatever they learn, it is not easy to remove. So that please accept them how they are as it is. Don't compare the children with one with another. Everybody needs some space to grow. Everybody needs some space to learn. So if you wait, surely they also will cherish. As I said, some maybe need a few days, some maybe need a few months, but definitely they have their own time in their life. So we need to wait till that time. If we are hurry also, we can't. For example, when we germinate a seed and we need to wait for some days to grow as a seedling. After seedling, it takes some time to grow into a small plant. Then slowly it grows into a bigger one. Then it can able to produce flowers and fruits. The day when itself we go and ask the germinating seed, why you are not giving fruits to me? You can give flowers. Like that we should not ask a small plant, because it needs time. When you give space to it, it grows and definitely it will produce flowers, fruits, etc. Similarly, even our kids also. They have their own space, they need some time to grow. So please don't compare one child with another. Everybody have their own skills. One thing is sure that we all not born with the same skills, but every individual has some skills to grow better. So please identify their own skills and work towards that. And if you help, they grow still better. And please accept your child how they are and what they are. A request and advice to all. You please accept them as it is. They also will cherish, just they are the beginners of the education, still they are in the preschooling. So they also will cherish. So you please watch it and encourage them. Your encouragement is very, very helpful, and it will boost up us also. So then it makes us to do more programs like this. Thank you everyone.